Let's get back to nature. I love the forest and the woods. It's so relaxing. We're fortunate to have running water in the van for showers and cleaning, but it's always a good idea to have body washcloths. Yes, we have a drawer fully dedicated to keeping clean. There's a lot of things that you're going to travel with that you hope you'll never need. Extra things that are going to save the day and keep you safe. I hope you never need them, but if you do, tackle box it is. And we all know my favorite thing, paper towels. Wrap them individually so that they stay neat and clean. And always bring extra. And this is how I pack a toolbox. Tupperware. All the essentials ready and waiting at your service.